I made a little curtain for my little Christmas room, and hopefully this matches with the wallpaper nicely. I tried to hold it up to all the papers to make sure when I purchased it that it would match any single one that I chose. So all I did, these are just ratty ends, but it's okay because I'm going to glue them to the inside of the window. So you're not going to really see this. And then I fold it in half, or fold it down a little bit on the end, and I just stitch the end by hand. And then I went along the top and looped it, so that way I created this whole top part that I can glue down to the window. I'm going to just lay it on the window so you guys can see what it looks like. And yeah, then I'll move on to the next sewing project, okay guys? Okay, so this is what it's gonna look like once I glued down the wallpaper and I put this down. I figured I would get all the things made and sewn if need be. What do you guys think? I wanted to have it more festive there. I think it's a tad bit big. A lot bigger than I thought it was going to be, but I think once I put all the things in here, it's going to really even out and look nice. So yeah, so now I'm going to work on the pillows for the chair and the dog bed, and I think I'm going to do those in a green fabric. Let me show you the green fabric I chose. So it's this kind of green fabric, and I thought that would be kind of nice. Yes, it's a different pattern, but I thought that would be kind of cute for the pillows, the dog bed, and now that I think of it, maybe I can do a tree skirt out of this. I don't know. We'll see. So I'm gonna get started on sewing that. Okay, so I left a little piece open because this has to get stuffed. So this is my little doggy bed, and I have little cotton swabs that hopefully will fit in this hole and fill up the pillowcase before we close it up. So now you just kind of roll this end piece in and then sew it closed, okay? Now I have been sewing this whole thing with black thread that now I have to go and find my green thread so that way I can kind of hide it. I'm not entirely sure how to sew that end without it showing, but this is how the pillow will be. So this is the little doggy bed. I do have the little pillow that's going to eventually be on the little chair when I make it. And yes, I sewed these by hand. I do have a sewing machine, and it would have been I would have made it a lot easier had I used the sewing machine, but something's wrong with my sewing machine and it's giving me a hard time. So I figured, you know what? Pop a movie on, relax, and just sew it by hand. You know? Before sewing machines was in everyone's home, they did it by hand, so went old school on this one. So there is the little sofa pillow. It's gonna be like a little lumbar pillow, I guess. So I'm gonna keep sewing. I may stop sewing today and sewing some more tomorrow because it's starting to get dark out. But yeah, just wanted you guys to see this and the curtains, and hopefully the remaining fabric that I have, which is this red. So like this little lumbar pillow is going to be sitting on this red. This fabric is going to be the chair. So once I get the chair made and the seat stuffed, then we will put together the fabric that's going to cover it. Yeah, that's up next. Probably tomorrow I'll record it. And then we have a few more videos of making some things for this box, and then the final reveal. So you guys want to stay tuned. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can see when the next videos are. But I think for now I'm going to take a break after sewing these pillows closed.